Every day, millions of people and products move around the city of Barcelona. Have you ever thought about the professionals that make it possible for a product to be delivered at your home 2 days after you bought it online? Digital transformation, and especially the growth of e-commerce, have caused a comprehensive change in this sector. The mobility and logistics sector is structured in 3 fields of activity. Firstly, logistics, understood as freight management, involves all activities necessary to distribute a product or service at the right place and time. This applies to both people making online purchases from home and to businesses stocking up on goods. Besides, logistics is a key sector for industry to obtain raw materials and manufacture and distribute products. Secondly, as urban and intercity journeys become increasingly complicated, the concept of urban mobility is gaining strength. Urban mobility strives to provide a quick transport of people and goods in the most sustainable and efficient way. For this reason, work has been done towards promoting the cohabitation of different transport modes in public spaces to optimize public transport and encourage intermodality. Finally, airports become exchange hubs of goods and people, strategic for territorial development. Aeronautics comprises all activities regarding air mobility, meaning those related to the constructions, maintenance and commercialization of aircraft, as well as airport management. This sector has a significant impact on the city's economy. In 2020, public transport in the Barcelona's metropolitan area carried 281.1 million passengers and had a turnover of over 207.88 million euros. In the same year, logistics created 5.7% of employment in the metropolitan area and 50,326 jobs in the city. Regarding El Prat Airport, in 2019, its activities accounted for 7% of the Catalan GDP, and in 2021 it handled 18.9 million passengers. E-commerce goes far beyond one-click buying. New shopping platforms, multiple distributors, real-time delivery tracking. Besides, the 4.0 revolution has incorporated technologies and processes to supply chains and mobility management. This has brought out the need for professionals who master ICT technologies and optimize their application. In the future, mobility and logistics professionals will be prepared to work in robotized environments, supervising automated processes. They will also be used to working with large amounts of data. Big data will be a key tool to improve efficiency. In a cross-cutting manner, all professionals of this sector will work in teams and incorporate a customer focus. In the multi-channel era, customer service is the center of all logistics and mobility operations. This sector is bound to confront great challenges in the future. Firstly, digitalization will require qualified professionals throughout the supply chain, from warehouses to operational management. Lifelong training will be needed in order to adapt to customer demands, which are one of the main factors promoting changes in the sector. Secondly, mobility and logistics must become environmentally sustainable due to the strong impact of CO2 emissions. A good example of these are trends such as the promotion of electric vehicles and sustainable packaging. Lastly, this sector faces the challenge to incorporate more women, as it is still predominantly male. Women are encouraged to undergo training programs that grant them access to the sector's workforce. The logistics and mobility sector is in constant growth due to the consolidation of e-commerce, digital transition, and the expected increase in urban mobility. Therefore, future prospects show that there will be a greater demand for highly qualified professionals who will need to have a complete overview of the whole logistics or mobility chain so they can offer the best possible service. This sector is full of opportunities, so if you are into mobility and logistics, look for yours.